Morning, everyone. We are from grade AP.
Our idiom today is to pass with flying colors. To pass with flying colors means to succeed in something with excellent results.
Hi, everyone. Did you get your exam results?
Yes, I did. I got A in English.
That's great. You must be very happy.
I am. I studied hard for the test.
Congratulations.
Thanks. How about you, Barbara?
I studied hard and got an A in math.
Great job.
I was worried about my science, but I got a B plus.
That's a good result, Lahi.
Thanks.
We all studied so hard and got good results. We all passed with flying colors.
Everyone, please repeat after me. Pass with flying colors. Again, please. Thank you.